Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an engine oil change on this 2003 BMW K1200LT. This process is going to be the exact same for all BMW K-brick motors. That goes for K1200LT, GT, RS, and even like a K75. So anything with a horizontal inline 4 brick style motor, this procedure is going to help you out. Before we get started, I'd like to extend a special thanks to my Patreon supporters. If you would like to become a Patreon supporter, please check the link in the description. So getting started, you may notice that I have all the bodywork removed on this K1200LT. That is not required for you at home. The only reason I did that is so we can get a little bit better visual of what's going on under here. So first thing you're gonna need is an 8mm Allen socket, and you're gonna loosen up the drain bolt on the sump right here. And then, as of any other oil change, you wanna make sure to replace this crush washer. The next step will be removing this oil filter plate here. So it's 3 5mm Allen screws. And we're gonna remove this to gain access to the oil filter. When you're removing this, I suggest fully removing 2 of them and then leaving one tight and kind of holding upward pressure on it, because even if you have the drain plug drained there, you're still gonna get a lot of oil coming out of here. And then in this cover, there's a groove here for an O-ring. So you can see it actually stuck to the engine here. This O-ring must be replaced. If you don't replace it, it's guaranteed to leak. It must be replaced every time. After we removed this cover, you can see we've exposed the oil filter. So we're gonna use the oil filter wrench, kind of fish it up in there, and then loosen the oil filter. We will now install our new oil filter. And then our drain plug all cleaned up with a new crush washer. So I got this cover all cleaned up and I have a brand new O-ring for in there. And then what we're gonna do is just take a rag and wipe down the mating surface here so it mates up against a nice clean surface. And then this will only really go together correctly one way. So the fins on the bottom here will flow the same direction and line up with the other fins on the oil pan. So for filling the engine, on the right side of the motor, right here is this little plug. We're gonna unthread that. And then I like to use one of these funnels, kind of like this. Has a little flexible hose on the end. And we can kind of fish it through and shove the hose down in there. And we're gonna fill it up with 4 quarts of oil. And right around your sight glass right here, there's a little red ring. So we're gonna fill it right to the very top of that red ring. And then we're gonna run our engine just for 10 seconds or so to kind of pump oil through the engine. It'll fill the oil filter and kind of just spread it around the engine. And then once that's done, it should settle out to right in the middle of the sight glass here. And that's right where we want it. Thank you for watching. If this procedure helped you out in any way, please consider subscribing to my Patreon account. The link is in the description. As always, have a safe ride.